Robert D'Amico, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Fan Page Robot. That's a Fan Page Robot. It's a online cloud system that a young gentleman in the US has developed. It's been around for a number of years. He had an idea, and he's pursued it in that the idea is that social marketing is a very time-consuming activity, and he was looking at ways actually to improve the speed of managing all the different types of social media accounts that people would normally have. It's aimed for people, either for people who are a product trying to sell product and have a number of different social media accounts, like from Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and where you want to try to get a product. It's good for bloggers who want to promote their articles. There's lots and lots of different uses. It's also, if you're an affiliate marketer, help to promote the products you're advertising on sale. There's a lot of uses for this particular service. This is basically doing a relaunch because they've done a major overhaul on the product, and I decided to actually purchase a product because I've been using some other ones, and they're a bit not all encompassing, but this particular one, it is encompassing, takes account for everything. Here's my license, just make sure you can actually see I've actually bought it, and I'm going to be showing you the product and how easy to use. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and I've been finding it very, very simple and fast to use, and I'm quite impressed. It's not expensive. It's only $14.95 a month. Quite often, a lot of other ones are selling for around $40 a month and higher. This is a very, very cost effective. It's aimed more for for the small businesses, small affiliate, and it's very, very useful. So I couldn't, I've bought it. I'm happy with it, and I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. So hopefully you have a look at it, and sure you would see what I saw on it, and it's a continuously improving product. At $14.95 a month, it's really good value. At least I believe it's really good value. So not withholding, I'm going to just show you the product. It's quite simple. It's a cloud-based system. All the accounts are on the left-hand side. Back over here. You can actually add Facebook groups. You can add Twitter accounts. You can actually add more accounts in here. You can between Pinterest and Instagram, Tumblr, and your own blog. So it's very simple, fast to create. I've got a number of products, a number of different systems here. I've added one just recently. It comes in a number of different modes. You can look at the schedule, and you can actually schedule posts when you want to on each page, and it's fairly straightforward. So you just quite easy. You can load. You can add items, broadcast. You can add image. I just add one of my famous. It comes up pretty quickly, and you just add information where you want to add it. So it's really, really easy to use. So I won't add into queue because I need a bit more information. You can actually generate content. One of my favorite activities, I like going surfing. So you can actually look at surfing. All you do is put in the say put surfing. Look at what's you click on news, and it's loading all the latest articles about surfing. So you can actually, for your readers, you can actually click on it and then put it into your social media platforms. You can look at images. Give it a moment. That will load up in a sec. You can see what's trending. You can see what how many people are going on looking at each one. So you can look at what was really popular. So you might click on this one. You can just add to be posted. Oh, geez, that's not bad, is it? That's all right. So you can actually what people are finding interesting. You can actually share with your own followers, so you can keep them connected with them, and that's probably one of the most important. People like to find out interesting things about what's happening around word and what's really popular. So it's worth having a look at. You can see some more popular than others. That's interesting one, the Turkish towers. 10K. There's a lot, quite a lot. You can look at videos from around the world, from all different countries. Surfing. Anyways, sometimes you need to muck around with the keywords. So there's lots of information. You can set up your own pop-up campaigns. You can quite easily do it in different locations. So there's a lot of features on here. There's a lot of support. There's a lot of tips what you can do. A lot of training material. There's a lot of video training. There's a lot of ideas. See, Facebook automation. You can look at this training here. You can just see what it's like. So that I'm sure, there's a lot of nice features. It does save you time, a lot of time. It does take a little while to get used to how to exactly put everything in. It's not inordinate. I learned over about a week or so, spending half an hour each day. And I made a few mistakes, but if you don't try, it's the best way to learn is actually doing it, and you're going to pick up bits and pieces. So it's only $14.95. It's a 30-day money back guarantee. You really can't go wrong. You can try for a few weeks, and if you don't like it, you get returned. But I'm sure you will like it because it's got lots of stuff. And I like the content. I know places where you pay not only for looking for content, but you also, there's a separate system. Then you have different Facebook systems to promote things, Instagram and Twitter. This is all encompassing one tool, and it's really very, very cost effective. So you can't go wrong, guys. But to encourage you to do it, if you buy through me and click on the link below, I've actually added a number of additional products that I thought would be useful for you guys to do. Because I'm assuming that your guys, everyone in this watching this, is going to be an affiliate marketer or some sort of marketing person who wants to promote their blog, their product, or whatever. I've created some Bing way to doing Bing ads is important because in some markets it's about 30%. So it's not as straightforward to do ads on Bing. And so I decided to create a short video showing some of the ways to do Bing ads effectively. And I'll give you a few tips in here. Also, I've provided some ways to try to increase your traffic in an ethical way, doing white hat approaches. I've put together a whole bunch of shortcuts that took me years to work out and how to do. So I'm sure you would like that. Also provided what was required to do doing affiliate marketing. It is a business these days. 15 years ago it wasn't. People did it on the side. Now it's a full-blown business. It is getting more and more complicated. Not complicated. More. It is. There's more things to know about to do it effectively. And this is a bit of a story we put together of somebody who was basically broke. It didn't go too well, and they've all of a sudden over about 6 to 8 month periods, start earning some really good coin doing internet marketing and affiliate marketing. So I'm sure you'll like that and learn some of the tricks along the way. And finally, also if you're an affiliate marketer or trying to sell products, or on Facebook trying to get more likes, there is a cost to it. And I put together a bit of a training program about how to reduce your ad spend on the net to sell products and affiliate marketers, because you really do want to get the best return on investment and best CPA on your ad spend. So anyway, here's just a few ideas. But go down below, click on the link below, and I'm sure you'll be really happy what you'll learn from here. So that irrespective of when you purchase a product, you get these 4 products once you purchased it, and you can keep it. Now, I know you're going to like the fan page robot. It's a great product, and I know you're going to like these products as well. You're going to learn something from it. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you click on the link, and when you purchase it, you'll be getting a link to a website saying please fill this form out. Once you accept the form, I'll send you the additional products. Thanks guys for listening again, and have a wonderful day. Bye.